today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Booksy link to my website. To get started, open your web browser and log into your Booksy account. Once you're signed in, the goal is to find your personal booking page link, since that's the link you'll be sending visitors to from your website. After you're inside Booksy, go to your profile or your booking settings and look for your unique booking page URL. This is the page customers use to book appointments with you. When you find it, copy the full link carefully so you can paste it into your website editor in the next step. Now switch over to your website platform and log in. This could be WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, Shopify, or any other website builder you use. Once you're in the editor, decide exactly where you want people to see your booking link. A lot of people place it on the home page because it's the most visible spot, but it can also work well on a contact page, services page, in the navigation menu, or as a dedicated booking button. Once you've chosen the location, add either a button or a text link. A button is usually the easiest for visitors to notice, especially if booking appointments is one of the main actions you want people to take on your site. If you're using text instead, make sure it's clear and action-focused. Good examples include book an appointment, schedule your visit, book now, or reserve your spot. Next, paste your Booksy URL into the link field for that button or text. This step is simple, but it's important to make sure the entire link is pasted correctly with nothing missing. If your website editor gives you the option to preview the link before publishing, that can be helpful. After that, save your changes and publish or update your website so the new link goes live. If you forget to publish, the link may appear in the editor, but won't be visible to your site visitors. Once your site is updated, visit your website like a customer would and click the new booking button or link. Make sure it opens the correct Booksy booking page and leads directly to your appointment scheduling screen. Finally, optimize the placement for better results. Try to keep your booking link somewhere easy to see and use clear call to action wording so visitors immediately understand what to do next. The easier you make it for people to book, the more likely they are to follow through and schedule an appointment.